प्यारे बच्चों, how are you all? Hope you all are well. Okay, my dear kids, we were learning about our Sri Krishna and Sudama's friendship, and Sudama went to meet Sri Krishna, and what are happening there. And by seeing Sudama, Sri Krishna felt so sad, and he was washing his leg with his eyes, tears and all. Then he is keeping Sudama is keeping something for Krishna, and he is hesitating to give to Sri Krishna by seeing the well settled of Sri Krishna and all, but Sri Krishna is not allowing, and Sri Krishna is taking that and eating. So when he is returning from there, Sri Krishna is not giving anything like that. He is feeling and going, because with empty hand only he is coming back. So he was thinking that and coming, and he reached his village. Okay, after that what is happening, let's see. Okay ma, okay, take page number 71. First para we finished, second para you see. While I am reading, you will read with me. Okay. वै सोई राज समाज बने, गज बाजी खने मन संभ्रम छायो, कैदों परियों कहूँ मारग फूली, कि फेरी कई में अब द्वारका आयो, फाउन बिलो की बे को मन लोजत, सोचत ही सब गाँव मचायो, पूंजत पांडे फिरे सब सोम, पर चोपरी को कहूँ खोज न पायो. Once again, let's see. वैसेई राज समाज बने, गज बाजी खने मन संभ्रम छायो, कैदों परियों कहूँ मारग फूली, कि फैरी कई में अब द्वारका आयो, फाउन बिलो की बो को मन लोचत, सोचत हो सब गाँव मचायो, पूंजत पांडे फिरे सब सो, पर चोपरी को कहूँ खोज न पायो. Okay, he is returning and he reached his village. Okay, then what and all he is seeing there, let's see. Vaisoi means like that. Vaisei, like that. Raj Samaj Bane, when he reached his village, he is seeing that the same how he has seen in Sri Krishna's Dwaraka place, there everything that like same the condition is there in his village also. Everywhere it's well settled, and every big buildings are there. By every and Gaj Baji, Gaj means elephant. Gaj, elephant. Baji, Baji what? Horse. Khane, thick. More. Khane means, here it means more. Sambhram chayo. Sambhram means what? Sambhram means he felt so surprised, stunned. Sambhram, or surprised. Kedo परियों कहूँ मारग फूली, कि फेरी के में अब द्वारका आयो. He has कैदों परियों कहूँ मारग फूली, कि फेरी के में अब द्वारका आयो. See once more, we will see the first line. Vaisoi Raj Samaj Mane, where how he has seen in Dwaraka, that same condition was there in the his village also. It is like a very rich place. Elephant is there, horse is there, and everything more is there in that place, and he felt so surprised. Sambram chayo. Kaido pariyo kahu marg fuli. Marg means way. He felt that maybe I forgot the way where I want to go. Like that he felt. कि फेरी के मैं अब द्वारका आयो, maybe I have again I came back to Dwaraka only. Like that he felt, because like that the Sri Krishna has given all the facilities in his village, but he couldn't have any idea, because he felt that I forgot the way maybe, and I came to Dwaraka. Found बिलोगी पोकी बिलोगी बे को मन लोचत. Bilogi Bhavan. Bhavan means Bhavan. Building, his house. Yeah, man lochat. Everything in the buildings, house or buildings. All the buildings and all, by seeing that ko man lochat. Sochat ही सब गाँव मचायो. Means अब सोचत ही सब गाँव मचा. He is thinking फिर से द्वारका ही लौटाए हैं. वे शायद रास्ता भूल गए हैं. वह भी द्वारका जैसे भव्य महल बने हुए थे. सुदात्मा के मन में उन भवनों को देखने का लालच आ रहा था. यही सोचकर वह गांव के बीच में चला गया. देन ही इज गोइंग. यह अब सोचत ही सब गांव मचायो. मचायो इन बिटवीन. He is going in between the village, that he want to know whether I have forgot the way, and or maybe I came to the Dwaraka only. By seeing the buildings and all, he felt so excited and he want to see more. Sab gav he want, everywhere he want to see. Puchat Pandey फिरे सब सोम पर. Then he is Puchat Pandey. He is asking to पूछ रहे हैं. Puchat asking. Pandey here for Sudama only they have given the name Pandey. Sudama Pandey only his name. Pandit. So Pandey himself. Sudama Pandey. Fir sabso. Fire sabso. He is roaming here and there and asking to sabso means sabse to everywhere. He is पूछ रहे हैं. पूछना. He is asking. ती चोपरी को कहूँ खोज न पायो. चोपरी means his hut. चोपड़ी hut. कहूँ खोज न पायो. He couldn't find out where it is. He couldn't find out that where his chopadi, where is his hut. So while Sudama is coming back to his village, he is seeing that everything changed, and everywhere the elephant, horse, everything is there, and also like Dwaraka how it is, like that only same it looks. And he is thinking that maybe I forgot the way, and I came to Dwaraka only. By seeing the buildings and all, he wanted to see more, and he is going and he is asking to each and everyone that where is my chopdi, where is my hut. But no one, they are telling that no, I don't know, like that they are telling, and he couldn't find out his hut. That is only that para. Understood, my dear kids? Okay, next we will go to the next para. Kai वह टूटी सी चानी हती, कहम कंजन के अब धाम सुहावत. कई पग में पनही न हाथी, कहम लई गजराजहु ढाटे महावत. भूमि खडोर पई रात कटे, कहम कोमल सेज पई नींद न आवत. कई जुरतो नहीं कोदो सवा, प्रभु के परताप ते दाख न पावत. के वह टूटी सी चानी हती. कहाँ वह टूटी सी छानी. छानी मीन्स दैट हट. Where is that broken hut? Where is my that broken hut? कहाँ कंजन के अब थाम सुहावत. कंजन gold. थाम building. He is telling that where is that my broken hut, and where is this golden buildings and all, where is this pleasant buildings and all. And kai pag mein panahi na hati. Kai pag mein sometime before and all I was not having any panahi. Panahi means pag means leg. Panahi means chappal. Before and all I don't have a chappal in my leg. Pair में pag में panahi. Pair में जूता. Means I don't have chappal on my leg, in my leg. Kahe le Gajarajahu date Mahavat. Now what is happening? I don't want to walk. Gajarajahu हाथी को लेकर. Gajaraja हाथी means elephant. Tate Mahavat. Mahavat means those who is riding those who elephant keeper na, those who is taking the elephant, that only Mahavat. So those he is coming and asking to Sudama to come and travel on the elephant. So like that he is taking it. So now he don't want chappal even, because now he is not walking at all. He is traveling on the elephant. Like that facility and all Sri Krishna has given to him. So now his chopadi, now his hut is not there. Now he is having golden buildings and all, and now he don't have, before and all he don't have chappal even to walk. Now he don't want chappal to walk, because now he is not walking, he is traveling on the elephant. भूमि कठोर पर रात कटे. कठोर भूमि पर ही रात काटनी पड़ती है. Means his land and all is very difficult to it's very difficult. They have to spend the night itself. It's very difficult. Like that it was very hard. Kador pai raat kate. Bhumi earth. Kador it's difficult, like hard. Raat kate. They are spending the night very difficulty. Kahan komal sage pai neend na avat. Now they are giving sage a bed. Now soft bed is there to sleep, but I couldn't sleep because I have no experience to sleep on this bed and all. I was struggling to sleep on before and all I was struggling to sleep on the hard floor and all. Now I have sponge, now I have soft bed and all, but neend na avat, but sleep only not coming, because neend na avat, neend sleep. Now sleep only not coming. के जूरतो नहीं कोदो सवा. Now what is not ana kodo sava. Kodo sava means anaj. Anaj means rice. Now rice is before and all Asani say that kodo sava means that time and all that one type of rice is there. That rice it is very less amount only to buy. So that is very richly available, easily available. They can give some little money and also they can get that rice sava. So now before and all jurto nahi kodo sava, that even was not available. That it will be very big mota anaj. Okay, it is very big rice. प्रभु के परदावते दाखना आवत. अच्छे नहीं लग रहे. Now we are eating दाख. दाख means raisins. Raisins only we are eating because of the God's blessings. Pardab blessing. Because of the God's blessing I am getting now to eat kismis and all, but I do अच्छे नहीं लगते ना फावत. I want like I want अच्छे नहीं लग रहे हैं. Even I am getting kishmish, the raisins, that dry fruits and all. Now I have it's available to eat, because before and all even a single that easily available rice even it's not easy to get. But now I am eating dry fruits and all, but I don't want. That's condition. So this much see while see what he is coming in the first para, it is telling that सुदामा ने अपने गांव में जाकर देखा कि वहाँ द्वारका जैसा ही डांट बाट है, जैसा ही राज समाज है. There everything it's like a द्वारका only. उसी प्रकार के हाथी घोड़े थे जैसे द्वारका में थे. How and all द्वारका having the elephant and the horse and all, the same only was there in the Sudama's village also. इससे उनके मन में भ्रम छा गया. By seeing that Sudama felt why, what happened, because he felt so stunned, he felt surprised. सुदामा का लग रहा था कि वे फूल कर फिर से द्वारगाही लौट आए हैं. He felt that maybe I came to द्वारका. वे शायद रास्ता भूल गए. I forgot the way. वहाँ भी द्वारका जैसे भव्य महल बने हुए थे. There also he has seen that so many new buildings and all there like a द्वारका. सुदामा के मन में उन भावना को देखने का लालच आ रहा था. ही सोचकर वह गांव के बीच में चला गया. Then he want to see everything and he went inside the village and वहाँ जाकर सुदामा पांडे ने सभी से पूछा पर वे अपनी झोपड़ी को खोज नहीं पाए. He was asking to everyone about his hut but no one is answering and he couldn't find out the हट. देन व्हाट हैपनिंग, कृष्ण की कृपा से सुदामा की गरीबी मिट गई. नाउ ही डोंट हैव बिकॉज ऑफ द ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ कृष्ण ही गॉट एवरीथिंग. अब उन्हें खाने पीने रहने की सुविधाएं भरपूर मात्रा में प्राप्त होने लगी. नाउ ही गॉट एवरीथिंग. इसीलिए कहाँ पहले तो सुदामा के पाँव में जूतियाँ तक नहीं थी. नो चप्पल वॉज देयर का. अब उनके महल के द्वार पर महावत के साथ हाथी खड़े रहते हैं. दोसो इज कीपिंग द एलिफेंट. दैट मैन ऑल्सो देयर. एलिफेंट ऑल्सो देयर. सवारी के साधन पैदल चलना ही नहीं पड़ता. नाउ ही डोंट वांट टू वॉक इवन. देन ही इज हैविंग बिफोर एंड ऑल ही वॉज स्लीपिंग ऑन द हार्ड फ्लोर एंड ऑल. नाउ ही इज हैविंग व्हाट now he is having a soft bed but he is only sleep is not coming. And before and all he is get that anaj, that easily available rice, even anaj even he can't eat and it's not available. But now he is getting dry fruits and all but he don't like. That is only Sudama, isn't it? Even Sri Krishna is giving this much facility, even he is like a normal person only. So think my dear kids, we also have the like these friends and those who help us by understanding our mind how it good will be, right? So Sudama, Sri Krishna understood what Sudama felt in his mind, but Sudama he couldn't tell to Sri Krishna and he came back. But Sri Krishna understood everything what he needs and he has given everything to Sudama. Isn't it nice lesson, right? So we will learn the notes. This lesson I didn't give the meanings for that, but NCERT for 6 to 8 we don't want to give meanings, but you don't know so many words meanings, so that only I gave. But here you learn the meanings from the textbook, madam. Okay, madam, whatever meanings I have given, that everything you learn from the textbook. Okay, part 12 सुदामा चरित. प्रश्न और उत्तर. सुदामा कहाँ जा रहे थे? सुदामा वेयर ही वॉज गोइंग. सुदामा अपने मित्र कृष्ण के पास जा रहे थे. वॉज गोइंग नियर टू हिज फ्रेंड. श्री कृष्ण ने सुदामा की दशा कैसी देखी? श्री कृष्ण वाइल सीइंग सुदामा हाउ द कंडीशन वॉज. श्री कृष्ण ने सुदामा की दयनीय दशा देखी. बैड कंडीशन ही हैज सीन. सुदामा की पत्नी ने श्री कृष्ण के लिए फेंट स्वरूप क्या दिया था? सुदामा's वाइफ हैज सेंड व्हाट फॉर श्री कृष्ण. सुदामा की पत्नी ने श्री कृष्ण के लिए फेंट स्वरूप तंदुल दिया था. दैट राइस ही हैज गिवन. बचपन में कृष्ण क्या करते थे? बचपन में कृष्ण दही मांगते थे. बचपन इन द चाइल्डहुड व्हाट द कृष्ण वॉज आस्किंग टू एवरीवन, वॉज आस्किंग व्हाट? बटर, राइट, टू एवरीवन. सुदामा की झोपड़ी में क्या परिवर्तन आ गया था? व्हाट चेंज हैज कम टू सुदामा's हट. सब सुदामा की झोपड़ी की जगह सोने के महल बन गए थे. नाउ इन द प्लेस ऑफ सुदामा's हट नाउ गोल्डन बिल्डिंग वॉज देयर. Understood? You are not small kids and also I am not going to each and every word like deeply I was not telling. Try to read everything, okay? And one more thing I am finding that now Zoom class no one is coming. Only 1 or 2 kids only coming for the Zoom class. Before those who are coming also now they are not coming. Why? I don't know. Why, my dear kids? If you have any doubt or anything you want to ask or want to explain again means you can come to reading I am giving in the Zoom interaction class. Please come and read the lesson. For you reading is very must. Come and read in the Zoom class. Prepare and come for the Zoom class, my dear kids. Read it. That is very important. Keep coming for the Zoom class. Give important because for you people we are sitting for half an hour by opening the Zoom and sitting and no one is coming means how do we feel? You think about that. You are not small kids and all. You have to think about the teachers also. Half an hour we are sitting by opening the Zoom and we are waiting for you till 3:30. But no one is coming means how we will feel. We don't have any other work. We also have work. We are doing all the works, homework, home things and all. What we have that also we are doing. What you need, the teaching, that also we are preparing and sending properly in the time. But you people are not giving any support to us. How we will go forward? Keep going. You are not small. You are the seniors of our school. You have to do. You have to show to you are also have siblings and all. That people, what they will think about you. If you are not coming and attending the Zoom class, means how they will come and attend the Zoom class. Okay, please do. You be the role model for the small kids. Be the role model. You are the seniors of our school. You show that we are like this. You also should be like that. But you are not doing that. You hereafter please come and attend the Zoom class properly. Okay, my dear kids. That's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.